Hello, testing. My microphone's working because my dog ate it. No, in all seriousness, my dog did actually chew my microphone, which is very annoying because it's a very expensive microphone. Anyway, in today's video, it is a roundup for September. I'm going to show you my results, some of the latest trends, latest amazing results for September in the Binary Destroyer group. So yeah, enjoy today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Financial Service Commission. Myself and the BD members have been using Go Markets for over 7 years now. They go above and beyond to support the BD community and their traders. They offer award-winning customer support, thousands of tradable products, and some of the lowest spreads in the industry. This is perfect if your style of trading is scalping like mine. If you're interested in signing up to Go Markets, please use the link in the description below. Thank you and enjoy today's video. Okay, we've got a lot to get through, so let's do it quick. Let's first of all start off with my EA. I built an EA from the Binary Destroyer, and in fact, actually, next month will be 3 years of using this on a live account, which is quite good. 3 years. If you want to get hold of it, I sold it to a company called Forex Yields. I'll put a link in the description below. The reason being is because I built this EA to use it for myself, just kind of a ticky over sort of thing. I didn't want the hassle of selling it or all of that kind of, emails after emails. So I sold it to a company called Forex Yields. They deal with everything. It's not my problem. But if you want to get hold of them, the link is in the description below. But these are my results for this year. September has been a little bit slow, mainly because gold has decided to absolutely melt out of the sky. I made around 2.5%, 1.64% in September here. However, I did during this month change this EA to another account. I was talking to IC Markets and they said that if I move my account from a standard account to a pro account, I will get better spreads on gold, which is what I use the EA for. So I decided to do that just to prove to you, that I'm, 100% transparent. This is my withdrawal request for that EA account, as you can see there. And if I just bring up my EA, you can see this is the new account here. I wonder if you can see 5,000, hold on, there we go, month. So you can see the £5,000 deposit at the top. You can see the profit so far. Hold on here, you can see that it is a live account. Yeah, so basically that is it. I will link this up to my FX book when I get some time. But yeah, EA is doing great. Can't complain really. What I do with this EA, it's just kind of a tick me over sort of thing. I use this to pay for a holiday every single year for me and my family. Which is great because my girlfriend always says, thank you for paying for a holiday. And I go, well, I don't actually pay for it, but she doesn't know that. But that is it. It's not a get rich thing. It's just a little tick me over, a couple of percent a month. Fine by me. That is the EA. Back to our manual trading. So basically London Open. London Open has been good this month. I'll just show you the results for that. Who would have thought taking arrows? I've been taking arrows since April and it has been profitable. Here we go here. So this is the current month of September. Made £160. To be honest with you, the last week hasn't been the best. Win, loss, win, loss, win, loss. But like I say to everybody, if you are just going to take arrows, nothing else, just taking arrows, you're going to have to go through periods of wins and periods of losses, okay? It's looking at this as a bigger picture. I finished the month of September in profit. As you can see here, all of my trades on London Open and New York Open here. What did I want to show you? The actual stats. So as you can see here, we went through about 13 days without a single loss. Win, loss, and then we went for another, 2 weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So nearly 2 weeks again without a single loss. And since then it's kind of been win, loss, 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 win. But same again, that's normal, okay? If you remember in June, July, we went for 5 weeks without a single loss. 5 weeks without a single loss. And like I say to everyone, if you're going to enjoy the fruits of 5 weeks without a single loss, you're going to have to accept a few losses here and there. Okay, but yeah, again, September was great. Results from the BD members are absolutely phenomenal. I just want to show you some of the results. Try and find you some results. Hold on here. Not that one there. I'll try and find you. Here we go here. So one BD member, I think, is that 1.1 million? I think that is 1.1 million in it. 1 million, or is that 100,000? No, it's 1 million. 1,162,000. Yeah, so that's from one BD member, one of our full-time BD members. I'm not going to show you who it is. I've got another BD member here, 58 million. Yes, and I'm not joking you, we do have some seriously very successful BD members, 58 million. And in fact, this member here is a massive help to the BD members. And this is what I love about the BD members. This is what I love. Everybody's helping one another, right? We have we have members that build EAs that are profitable. We have members that will teach people price action strategies. We'll teach them, we'll do weekly webinars, we'll do videos, we'll, build extra tools to help them trade. And they give it all back to the community to say thank you. And this is what I love. This is exactly what I love. When you've got 1,000 people, well, we've got about 4,000 members, all helping one another, all providing their experience, their knowledge on helping everyone. Yeah, it's just very phenomenal. What's going on here? I'll just show you some of the results. In fact, let me just show you some of the results here. Let's just scroll up from London Open. So basically, this was London Open this morning. As you can see here, this was London Open here. The trade went this trade actually went 31 pips. So that was London Open this morning. If we go back to here and we go back to the Mogwai reversal, you can see here, if I just scroll up, let me just scroll here. Just read you some of the comments. This is UC in 5 minutes, a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Hit my SL, but it went to a 4%. So this one is made 14% return. My UC trade that I took just now, I closed at a 1-to-1, but it went to a 1-to-2. AU just hit take profit. Closing this trade here, 18 pips. And this is literally just now. I'll show you some trades in the Mogwai group here. GU buy in and out. So that's from that member. If I keep scrolling, you can see here some trades. It's just, I could sit here all day for about an hour just showing you some of the results. But I'm not going to. Meanwhile, I'm now hitting 91 grand. Basically, Mogwai, so this BD member explains what he does. Mogwai strategy, diversions, RSI overbought or sold. Yeah, like I said, everybody's just helping one another. Now, this month has been great, mainly because a very profitable and famous BD member called Michael Austin created a Mogwai reversal strategy. And I can tell you right now, I will do another video for this week. I'll do a video for Thursday, specifically on the Mogwai reversal strategy. But this strategy, and I'm telling you, is absolutely game changer. It is such a simple strategy. So let me just explain to you this strategy briefly, and I will, I'll do another video on it separately, okay? So let me just first of all start off by saying, let me just find you my result with this, because honestly, in fact, let me show you my results. Okay? So my results for this month on my personal account, £52,000 for the month, okay? £25,000 for the week, and this was on Friday, because obviously Friday was the last trading month of the last trading day of the month. £2,500, and that was New York Open, as you can see here on a Friday, but most of it was the Mogwai reversal strategy. And just to show you, if I just go to the Mogwai reversal group here, let me find you the Mogwai. Here we go here. Hold on here. Let me find you here, right? Because this one is an absolute cracker of a trade. I just realized exactly what I've just done. Hold on here. Let me just scroll all the way up, okay? Because a lot of BD members, I'm in USC. You know, it just goes on and on and on. Hold on here. Let me find you it here. Here we go here, a 1 to 10. So basically, with this strategy, right, this is how simple it is. I took this trade at 11:25 p.m., just before bed. I took this trade in bed. And I woke up at 6:52 a.m. and I made a 1 to 10. Well, I actually made a 1 to 8. A 1 to 8. Think about that. I just passed any prop firm challenge in one trade while fast asleep. Think like, yeah, in hindsight, yes, okay, this would have passed it, but obviously I didn't do it. I was fast asleep, but yeah, it is insane, isn't it? So let me just quickly explain, right? So if we go to Trading View, okay, basically a BD member, let me just find you a setup here and you will understand. Here we go here, right? Here we go here, right? So basically, this stems from the New York Open strategy where basically you're just taking arrows, right? So as you can see here, right, basically Mogwai, I'm confusing myself, right? Basically, Mogwai reversal strategy is basically a trend trading strategy using Mogwai reversal arrows, okay? So the arrows that appear are arrows with the trend, okay? So as you can see here, sells with the trend, 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 right? That is it. In New York Open strategy, we just take a trade when an arrow appears. So as you can see here, that one would have won. This one would have won. This one would have won. This one would have won. Okay? This one would have won. This one here would have won. Obviously, you know, 100, 200 pips, fine. What Michael Austin has discovered is if you wait for a Mogwai signal and then the MACD to cross over to signify a pullback, absolute game changer. Minimum 1 to 2. These trades are going 1 to 3, 1 to 4. The BD members love this because it's such a simple strategy. Basically, hold on here. Basically, if we're below the moving average, we're looking for sells. If we're above the moving average, we're looking for buys, okay? And just to show you, right, if you look at some of these photos here, right, they are absolutely insane moves. Look at this here. Look at this. And this is not me. This is all of the BD members, right? Look at this one here. Beautiful. USD CAD buy. Let me find you some more. Here we go here, okay? Another one there. Another one there, okay? The BD members absolutely love it. Look at that. Look at it. It's such a simple strategy. Look at that one there. USD CAD 5 minutes. So basically, right, let me just pick a random currency pair and we'll simulate it right now. Let's pick USD JPY, okay? I haven't looked at that, right? So USD JPY, let's find USD JPY. Okay, here we go here, right? So let's find a setup, okay? This is not set up because the MACD hasn't crossed over. This would become invalid, so there's no setup there. Let me find you a setup. Okay, definitely pick the wrong one there because price has been chopping around everywhere. Let's just pick GUUSD. Let's pick GUUSD. Okay, here we go here. Right, here we go here. There's two. In fact, there's actually one setup here. One setup just here, right? So here we go here, right? There's actually two, but we'll count this one here, okay? And again, I've just picked this one as random. So first of all, Mogwai signal, which signifies downtrend. We then wait for the MACD to cross over. Now the MACD didn't quite cross over here. It didn't quite cross over, okay? So this is why I would say this is not really a valid setup. But just to show you, if I just go to here, let me find you a sell position here. Where's my sell positions? a short position here. So if you put a stop loss, I'll put another one just there as well. If you put a stop loss below the high, so what's that? 6 pip stop loss, you're looking at 12 pip take profit. There you go there. So this trade here went, well, what's that? Nearly, just over a 1 to 2. Just over a 1 to 2. And it is just following simple rules. So same again, look at this one, right? Mogwai signal confirms the trend. Where do we enter? As soon as the TCA line turns red, we cross over on the MACD. So just there somewhere. So same again. I mean, if you go for a 10 pip stop loss, I mean, same again. Beautiful setup. You might have just got stopped out on that one. Let me just show you USD CAD, right? Let's look at USD CAD, right? Look at, there's no setup there. Here we go here, right? Look at this one. Look at this one. Beautiful. Look at this one. Mogwai signal with the trend. Pullback. Look at the MACD. Look at that one. That one, I actually took this trade, a 1 to 2. Such a simple strategy. So that is an update in the Telegram, well, in the BD community. Phenomenal month. Yeah, basically that is it. I'm not going to sit here and just constantly show you results after results. That's my update. I will make a video for Thursday explaining this strategy in detail. But yeah, I mean, such a simple strategy. Doesn't really need much explaining. If it's above the moving average, you wait for a Mogwai signal, wait for the MACD to cross over to signify a pullback, minimum 1 to 2. Let's just look at gold, because gold was an absolute beautiful setup yesterday. Here we go here. Here we go here. So same again. I'm just going to add this in here. I'm just going to add this in here. Look at this there. Look at this here. So same again. Hold on, I just put that up there. So same again, Mogwai signal, MACD's gone oversold just there. We enter as the TCA line turns red, stop loss above the high, minimum 1 to 2. This trade would have gone to like a 1 to 4. There you go. Such a simple strategy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. My name is Jamie Palmer, and thank you for watching.